Noodles yummy. I love noodles. You love noodles. You want eat noodles, but you not able to make. I show you how to make noodles. Instructions start. Cannot buy sauce in store, must make. Here what you need. Also need veggie. Here is picture of veggie you need. Meat also good. Pick your favorite. This is mine. Don't forget noodle either. That important part. Put sauce ingredient in bowl. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4 tablespoons savory sauce, 3 tablespoon ketchup, 2 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar. Mix. Mix. Now chop veggie. You pick veggie. I chop carrot. Then I chop onion. Chop green pepper. Also chop cabbage. Last chop scallion. Remember to chop meat separately. Again, you pick for you. I pick chicken for me. Put oil in wok and get wok hot. Add meat and wait until meat change color. Add some veggies. Add more veggies. All the veggies. Wash noodle in running water to make moist. Put noodle in wok. Toss. When no more cook, add sauce and toss. Now noodles is ready to eat. I try. Very good. Many flavors. Good flavors, not bad ones. You good for watching. You cook, share result in comments. Bye.